So we're going to show you how to build a poster list and an author index and to number them, and this is all automated system. Let's get started. So first we'll create a poster list with two dates. We'll say 5/25/2023, 5/26/2023, and it's going to be a poster list, and we'll just name it Posters 2023. Now we're going to create the list. This creates our default set. Now we're going to start adding items to it. So we're going to filter what we need to filter here. If we only want short talks or whatever we need to filter, we can filter it here. I'm going to choose all abstracts because I want late breaking and on time abstracts. And I'm going to say add multiple to list. So this is the 270 that are submitted. These are the names of the attendees. Now you'll see that the vowels are missing on every single name. I do this so that to remove proprietary information for security purposes. Also, this is just my side of it. Your system would have the author's full name in there. This is just so that for the videos I'm doing, I'm not showing the author names. Like I said, your views will have the author's name in there. Next, the second half of the list. And by the way, this list is in alpha order. So I'll choose the first date, and I'm going to add the first alpha set to the first date. Now I'm going to add multiple to list again. It's going to select the rest of them. And I'm going to choose the second date and add above to list. Now the rest are added to the second date. There's this placeholder one. This placeholder is so you can have a titling or whatever you need to. You can delete it, or if you want a title, you can leave it there. I'll delete it for now. Now we have our poster list. We want to number them, so I'm going to click number posters and hit OK. And now the posters are numbered. You probably already tell they were numbered before. That's because I've done this demonstration once before and they were just numbered. So for this purpose they're renumbered. Hide the time column because you don't need the time column on these poster lists unless you've actually had time slots for each group. But we don't. We just want 1 day for one day for the next group. Show abstracts. I'll show you that. So previewing the posters, you can see the abstract title is not highlighted. It's not linked. And again, there's no vowels in here because of proprietary information. So I'm going to say show abstracts on this poster list. And now let's preview the posters again. Now they're linked. So now I can click into it and you can access the poster. What this is for is the attendees will get an access portal and they'll be able to log in. And when they're logged in, they'll be able to see the abstracts online. That way you can give your attendees access to all these abstracts. So let's get the create author index. If you need an author index sheet, you just click here. And just like that, 240 abstracts are now author indexed by the poster number. And it does them all for you automatically. And just get a indexed abstract sheet. So click here. This gives you the instructions of how to do it, but it pretty much automatically does it for you. I'll click here, and like I said, you can choose your filters or whatever you need to do. Your formatting rules. Let's say I want to show my index number. I want to show my poster number. I want the authors be bolded. So title all caps. Let's say that's how I want it. And download. So now it's creating that document. And in a second, there it goes. 240 abstracts are created into a Word doc, and every Greek character passes right into the document. So there's no losing of Greek characters. And you can see every single abstract is here. 200, I think it's 241. Yeah, 241 abstracts. You see the title was all title uppercase because that's what I chose. I said to bold the authors, and any kind of formatting you need, we can add to the system. So I pretty much got all the ones that everybody asked or requested for. Oh, and here's an example. There's a beta character. So everything gets passed through here. Great for formatting. So that's it for that. Like I said, it's a real easy poster list builder. It automatically builds it for online, and it also builds it so you can export this data. So that's it. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment, and we'll see you next time.